Hi, welcome back. In the previous video, we learned about how to update a particular table. Now, in this video, we will learn about how to delete values from a table. To delete values from a table, we will write delete, then from, then the table name. Right now, this table has 9 values. Now, I will use this delete statement, delete from the table name, whatever the table name we wanted to put. After deleting this, we will run this. It says 9 rows has been deleted. So now let us run this. So all values has been deleted. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in next video.